We all embark on a journey towards success and fulfillment. It is a path filled with challenges, uncertainties, and moments of doubt. But what separates those who thrive from those who struggle is the power of motivation. Motivation is like fuel for our journey. It ignites the fire within us, propelling us forward despite the obstacles we face. But how do we achieve and maintain this unwavering motivation? First and foremost, understand your purpose. Take a moment to reflect on why you chose this journey in the first place. What drives you? What excites you? Remind yourself of your true calling and let it fuel your motivation to keep going. Next, embrace positivity. Surround yourself with optimism and choose to focus on the possibilities. Instead of dwelling on limitations, believe in your abilities and trust that every step you take is moving you closer to your goals. Furthermore, set achievable goals. Break down your overarching objective into smaller milestones. Celebrate every small victory along the way, and let it serve as motivation to conquer the next challenge. Remember to be adaptable. Life rarely goes according to plan, and obstacles are bound to appear. Instead of being discouraged, use these setbacks as learning opportunities. Adjust your approach, refine your strategies, and continue moving forward with even greater determination. Surround yourself with a support system. Seek out like-minded individuals who share your passion and drive. Their encouragement and guidance can be immensely motivating during times of doubt or fatigue. Lastly, take care of yourself. Prioritize your well-being and ensure you have the physical and mental strength to sustain your journey. Create a daily routine that nourishes your body, sharpens your mind, and replenishes your spirit. Expand your knowledge and enrich your mind. Continuous learning stimulates motivation by fueling your curiosity and allowing you to explore new perspectives. Whether it's through reading books, attending seminars, or pursuing online courses, never stop investing in your growth. Seek inspiration from others who have walked a similar path. Study the success stories of those who have achieved greatness in your field. Their achievements will remind you that your goals are attainable, and their journey will shine a light on the path ahead. Stay curious and embrace failure. View setbacks as stepping stones rather than roadblocks. Every failure brings valuable lessons and opportunities for growth. Embrace the mindset of a learner, knowing that each stumble moves you closer to success. Celebrate progress, no matter how small. Recognize and acknowledge your efforts along the way. Reward yourself for achieving milestones. Whether it's treating yourself to something you enjoy, or simply taking a moment to appreciate the progress you've made. Lastly, fuel your motivation with the power of visualization. Create a vivid mental image of what success looks like to you. Visualize yourself achieving your goals, feeling the joy and fulfillment it brings. Immerse yourself in this vision and let it pull you towards your desired outcomes. Motivation is not a one-time fix, it is an ongoing process. Just as we must fuel our bodies daily, we must also nourish our motivation consistently. Embrace the power within you, and let inspired living propel you towards the success and fulfillment you deserve.